course, in the trade war dashboard. But I want to take a little deeper look because I'm comparing this to a Lunar New Year. And if you're not familiar with the IOTI, it's bookings of 20-foot equivalent units on a 14-day moving average coming into the United States. So you see that big dip every year in February. That is the Lunar New Year period where production effectively shuts down for a couple of weeks in China. You look at the current dip there, we're pretty darn close to a Lunar New Year-esque style dip. Now, I think the big question is, seeing as most companies and businesses are not accustomed to having a Lunar New Year in May, does this manifest into we see it in a sense last year. We had container volumes, if you look at the teal line there, that's last year. We saw this ramping in peak season. So peak season for maritime is July, August-ish. I think the big question is, do we see kind of a strong, because now we're going to have restock.
I think you're going to have a violent, I think 22 is your 21, 22 is your best example of this. Is like, I think you're going to have a pretty strong and violent snapback. I think it's going to be an aggressive V shape. It is going to look a lot like this is a Lunar New Year kind of rebound, but even more so.